Hi.
Hello.
What you listening to?
Spain song?
Are you know how to dance?
I don't.
How old are you? How old are you? You look young.
I'm 20.
20? Can I get to know you? What's your name?
Just call me Kay.
Huh?
Call me Kay. My
Call
full
me-
name is Camelia. Yeah.
Camellia?
Yeah.
Is that how you say it?
Oh, you live or no shit?
No, we're not. We just watching YouTube
Hi
videos.
guys.
No, we're watching YouTube videos.
Oh.
It's okay, it's okay.
Really?
Yeah.
Alright.
I'm just trying to know, like, what's your type? Like, I'm not trying to waste time and none of that. You know what I mean? I just want to know what's your type. Huh?
My type, like fully my type.
Yeah.
Just search on Google Richard Ramirez. That's my type.
Huh?
Just search on Google Richard Ramirez.
Can you
She's
just
my
tell?
type.
You can just tell me.
Come to ask me why you beautiful, Daruda.
Richard Ramirez. Yeah.
You can just tell me though. I don't have to search it up or none of that.
Oh shit. I like tall guy.
Tall? How tall?
Maybe like over 5.
Described and just say that.
Eight.
You described me like that.
Tight shit. Are you tall?
Oh, I'm 5'2", almost 5'3".
That's you like that's fine. That's fine. Is you like?
والله يا اخي والله يا اخي
والله يا أخي.
والله